Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, leather interior group, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.